Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about Sterling Bank and more specifically how you can order checks for your Sterling Bank checking account. So first, just a little bit of background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your Sterling bank account number and routing number on it, such as So the first thing you're going to do is open your browser and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari for this video. As you can see, I'm already on the Sterling Bank website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, simply sterlingbank.com. You can also check out the description for the link to Sterling Bank. So the first way that you can order checks is going to be by logging on to your Sterling Bank account online. So the home screen of Sterling Bank already has the fields where you can enter your login ID and your password. So you'll enter those 2 things and then click log in. Now, if you don't have a user ID and password, you'll notice there's a sign up now button under the 3 bullets down from the login button. You can click on that and then just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're logged in, go to banking options and then order checks online. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way that you can order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for Sterling Bank. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your Sterling Bank debit card, and that's probably going to be the easiest place to find this phone number. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the Sterling Bank website, but that can sometimes be a little bit tricky and not so straightforward to find. So if you happen to know of any other ways to find this phone number, definitely be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that sometimes there is going to be an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third and final way to order checks is going to be to go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for Sterling Bank and order from a third-party vendor. I already have a tab open with this, and I've already typed into the search bar order replacement checks for Sterling Bank. What this does is it brings up several third-party vendor websites that you can use to order checks. Bradford Exchange Checks, Checks Unlimited, just a couple of different examples of websites that you can use. Do be aware that prices vary and security features also vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please be sure to let me know in the comment section. Ordering checks from a third-party vendor is also where your voided check or bank statement will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact Sterling bank account number and routing number to order your checks this way. Unlike when you order from the Sterling Bank website or through their customer service, those numbers will not be automatically loaded, and so you'll have to provide them yourself, and you want to make sure to provide them 100% accurately so that you don't have to worry about things like bounced checks due to an incorrect number on your checks. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information on Sterling Bank.